Yes.
Umesikia Jaybash ameitisha interview.
No
Big
masana.
deal. Anyway, jokes.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
We. Peso. Mwanzo. Mia pringo. Ala, si ndo huyo.
Jaybash himself. This is the pro drifter all the way from
Lena drifter from Nigeria.
Atilena.
Lena.
He's saying he's a Lana.
Yes,
a Lana who will never take an L, eh?
Yeah, but I'm getting my
This guy is ripping tires, bro, eh? He made me feel like an amateur yesterday, but I'm learning from you. So if he's the Lana, I think I'm the backbencher.
We're all learning.
I am the backbencher.
We're all learning. We're all learning.
Yeah, we're all learning.
So hi guys, today we're in Kenya. I feel excited to be here because I've always wanted to come to Kenya, and I wanted to wait for the right time and see that they have the right cars and the right people. So then I was on Instagram scrolling, and I saw the East Championship event. I was like, oh wow, East African. Why? Let me see if I can come into this event. And here we are today. Even though when I first entered Kenya, I saw that you guys drive from
Right hand.
and we drive on the left.
On the left.
So I thought it was going to be a challenge for me, but I don't know.
Now you're
At
getting
first,
used to it.
Actually, I got used to it in 30 seconds.
Very fast.
The moment I sat inside the car,
Quick Lana, yeah?
the moment I sat inside the car, put the gear,
Yeah.
I forgot that I was in the right hand. I thought I was in the left hand, so I just started going sideways, just trying to understand the car. You know, when you're coming into a new car, you need to understand her. You need to
you need to learn the car.
You need to have a relationship with the car, then you're good to go. And I feel like
Now you're ready.
we have a good relationship, me and this car.
What will you call her?
I don't know.
Because maybe this is the one that will win the championship.
Señorita.
Señorita or Amaka.
No, not Amaka. Amaka is prettier than this car. This car
Oh.
is ugly. Have you seen the front of this car?
They say the car is ugly because he removed the bumper.
No, but you know one funny thing?
Yeah.
Ugly cars are fast.
They perform still.
Yeah.
But what matters is also the driver. So I want to ask you, how long have you been drifting?
5 months.
Aye! You guys, you can go verify on his channel that he's lying. You can't fly to Kenya and lie. You can't come and lie.
It's 5 months.
In the morning. 5 months.
5 months.
So you think I've been drifting longer than you? Yes. Aye. Okay, I am humbled. I will not ask any other questions.
Actually,
This was
guys,
Mr. Jaybash.
I'm joking. I've been drifting for over 10 years. So, but professionally, I think I would say 5 years ago, we kicked in professionally. But I used to drift on the streets before.
Yeah.
You know, so in Nigeria, we have this kind of a street outlaw drifts that we usually do back in the days.
And you guys have high power.
Yeah, but the issue we had then was you're drifting and you're being chased by the police all the time. So
But they never catch you.
Sometimes they do, but I've been caught once, but I wasn't drifting. I went with my car and I parked and I was making video and I just felt a grab. Yeah, so from then I was like, why do it illegal? Why don't you make this sport legal? So because you know one thing about motorsport, anywhere around the world, people love motorsport.
Yeah.
So even in Nigeria, people love anything that has to do with cars, motorsport.
Yeah.
So then I was like, why don't we do it legal? Get a space, train there.
Make it safe.
Yeah, make it safe for the people. People can actually come there since they love it. I will tell you that people drive where to watch drifts. They take like 1 hour to drive. So imagine the love people have. Some people take from another state to another state to watch. So imagine the love people have for it. If you make it with safety, you do a nice
Make
place
a nice
for,
setup.
for
Like
people to
this
come
now.
watch. Yeah, and people would actually come pay. Then I stopped. Then I became someone that was against the illegal street. I would rather advise you, leave the street, come join, build a car. You have more challenge here because now you're coming to meet people that are crazy. Because once, like you now coming into motorsport, I'm telling you, your first car you're gonna build, once you're done with your E46, you'll be hungry for more power. This car is too slow for me, I need more power. Like, let me put a V8 swap. Before you know, you've started pumping in money, and I will tell you, you won't know where you're getting the money. You won't be spending the money on yourself, buying clothes. No, car, I need to get an angle piece for this car. I need to save to get this. Because one thing about builds, you're never gonna finish building the car. You're always building, you're always seeing new things.
Putting something.
Yeah, you're always saying, okay, I want an angle kit, I want good suspension, I don't want the car to wobble, I want a good steering angle, I need radiator, I need good
brakes.
It breaks all the time. You can come to an event and kick your car and the car goes, ooh, boom, it dies. Then you get frustrated, anger, what's happening with this car. I'll tell you, when your car spoils at an event, if the cash price for the event is $1,000, because of your ego and you wanting to do that event, you will spend $3,000 on that car just
to win 1,000.
Just to win the 1,000, because that feeling you being here and the car is messing you up. You don't care. If you want, you can just tell them, can we just buy another engine now and
now
for the event? So it's crazy. Motorsport is more addictive than drugs. I'm serious. It's more addictive than
We will
drugs.
quote one day said that in 2018 somewhere in another interview. Cars are like drugs.
My name is Crabmen Mugambi. I am 20 years old. We run Motorsports Kenya with my pals. We are a small group of car enthusiasts. Actually not a small group, a big group. For lack of a better word, cars are like drugs. Well, they're very addictive, and the car enthusiast scene in Kenya is really growing, and even around the world. So the enthusiasm for cars really drives you to do what you want to do to your car. As you can see, like there's so many modified cars. People invest more than millions on these cars, and they really treasure having a car that you know is personally modified and customized in a way that you want it to be.
No drugs, bro. It's drugs. Once again, it's into your veins. You can't take it out.
That's it.
You can't.
But we are already in. What can we do?
You can't go out now. So it's called
We just play with
financial mistake.
Yeah.
So
We accept our financial mistakes.
You're always putting the money. And I heard your girlfriend is coming into motorsport. So
We shall discuss these matters in the next episode with Jaybash. For today, I think that is enough. Wacha tufungie hapo. Cameraman here.
What's that?
Your online trusted car marketplace. Sawa, your only trusted car marketplace online right now. Najua watu wengi sana tumepitia those scams and tunapata ikiwa so hard to shop for a car online. Mara you see it being posted multiple platforms, different prices, different brokers, mambo mingi. Sasa nataka kuwapea solution. Sawa, enda pale angalia car duka, wako na app ya iOS, wako na app ya Android, na pia wako na website. Pale hivyo nitawekea links kila kitu hapa hivi chini. Make sure you go check them out for the simplest way for you to get your purchases done or for you to sell your car without fear of any scams. And how do we ensure that? We ensure it by verifying all buyers and all sellers. So kama una post pale, kwanza unaweka details, unaweka you log in, register as a user. Chagua kama unataka kuwa independent seller, ama you want to be a buyer, ama you also want to be a kayad, because also kayads will have a platform where they can put their profile pale hivyo. So it's very easy, and we make sure we certify who you are by either using your government documents or the vehicle documents. So that way tuna ensure hakuna mse anagongwa. So make sure mmena pale hivyo kaduka, muinteract nayo kidogo, muangalie na nitawekea maybe a promo code kama hapo hivyo. Na kama pia unataka kununua gari on hire purchase, yani you want to pay for the car slowly, you can pay for as long as 5 years ago. You can own your dream car right now and pay mdogo for 5 good years, courtesy of NCBA. So maze, no better deal than that. So we are closing day 1 of training here at Whistling Morans. Been nice, I've enjoyed. Also I've been trying some new tactics. Some of them have not worked, so to employ his occasion. I will stick to what I know. So waiting for the competition, we're going to take it cool, relaxed. The most important thing is to enjoy ourselves, and then kushinda ni baadaye, si ndio? Na kama uja subscribe bana, kuwa serious. Niko na Jaybash in the house. Kwanza chiki lumbu tuku.
What's lumbutuku?
Lumbutuku is your dressing, bro. Tunamfunza Shembe Teng bana, Wacheki, so kama uja subscribe, kwanza mna make sure hii video iende viral. Hiyo clip tu hiyo. Bas. Aya. That's been it. It's been your boy Pringo. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna win this. So, I'm a prankster. It's my funk. It's my life. And I'm living it. Peace.